on Chainlink holder. What's the next of Chainlink in upcoming days? Chainlink going up or fails down? Absolutely very important question for all holder. Therefore, a lot of holder ask me to Chainlink prediction is more important. Please do it. So therefore, I decide finally to do the live price prediction of Chainlink. So let's get started without any time waste, my friends. But please, if you are new on our channel, most welcome. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. If you want any guidance about crypto market, absolutely you ask me and Instagram every type question, my friend. So here, if you can see here, my friend, the last 7 days they very badly fell down. Every crypto market, my friend, all crypto market very badly priced down, my friend. So first of all, this is the resistance line, my friend. If you can see here, I draw, and here if you can see here, there's a line, the second B, my friend. So this time, if you can see here, they fails down after a very big jump. They fails down. You can see here they're moving in the circulation. Exactly, they're moving in the circulation, my friend. So if you can see here, my friend, they are completely fails down, and here, my friend. So this point, the first point is very bad fall, and after this bad fall, a lot of people hit this point as take very why, because the people starting selling. Exactly, this after a selling, they are completely goes down. So after that falls down, my friends, a lot of people just buy it again, my friends. So here you see here. So if the people starting buying, then exactly the you can see here the line is going up. So the chart is moving up, my friend. So after this, my friend, they falls down again. Very small falls down, and they're starting moving up, my friend. And after that, they jump again very high. And after this jump, they falls down. So a lot of holders tell me to why they go down. So my friends, the reason is that to after a fails they take a jump. Absolutely, and after a jump they fails down again. So absolutely, after this fails they go up like a rocket. So let's check out the last 1 hour chart to really they go up, because they go, yes, absolutely, my friend, I am right. I already tell you to they go up in upcoming days. So they go up, my friend. You can see here plus 0.93%. they're going up. The price is decreased. Very good, my friends. 34.17 USD dollar as the price, and I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. They're going like a rocket, my friends. So the resistance line, if you can see here, very high, my friend, and they're going up like a rocket. So thanks for watching Chainlink holder. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more this type videos.